Direct debits, the bane of some, the business owner's best friend for others. But what if you're a Tide user and you're on the receiving end? Can you automate those recurring payments and ditch the stress? Let's face it, remembering every single bill can be a nightmare. Gym membership here, phone contract there, it all adds up. Especially for us freelancers and small business owners, keeping track of incomings and outgoings is crucial. That's where direct debits come in, a lifesaver for some, a mystery for others. But can Tide handle them? The short answer? Yes, but with a twist. While Tide itself doesn't directly offer inbound direct debits at the moment, they've got a clever workaround, a partnership with a company called GoCardless. Now, before we unpack that, let's rewind a sec. What exactly is a direct debit? Imagine giving a company permission to automatically take a set amount of cash from your account on a specific date. That's a direct debit in a nutshell. They're super convenient, but there's a catch: you're giving control over your cash flow to someone else. So, it's important to only set them up with trusted companies. Okay, back to Tide and GoCardless. Here's how it works. GoCardless acts like a bridge between you and the company trying to collect the payment. Tide integrates with GoCardless, so you can manage everything: sending requests, setting up mandates, that's the fancy term for giving permission for payments, and keeping an eye on upcoming debits, all within your Tide app. Pretty neat, right? Here's the real benefit: getting paid on time. As a business owner, chasing late payments can be a massive time suck. By using GoCardless with Tide, you can automate invoice collection, ensuring a steady stream of cash flow into your account. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, GoCardless itself has its own separate setup process. But don't worry, it's relatively straightforward. Secondly, while Tide offers faster payments for outgoing transactions, payments collected through GoCardless might take a couple of extra days to show up in your account. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. For freelancers and small businesses, automating recurring payments and streamlining invoice collection is a game changer. It frees up your time, reduces stress, and keeps your cash flow healthy. Of course, if you're just a regular Tide user looking to pay for your gym membership, you might not need this fancy setup. A simple standing order from your Tide account might do the trick. But hey, if you're looking to take control of your finances and get a grip on those recurring payments, then the Tide and GoCardless combo is definitely worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.